Welcome to our channel. If you have a KeyBank account and want to activate Zelle for instant money transfers, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the KeyBank mobile app on your smartphone or visit the KeyBank website on your computer. Step 2. Log into your KeyBank account using your username and password or biometric authentication. Step 3. Navigate to the Move Money or Payments section and select Zelle. Step 4. If you're enrolling for the first time, click Get Started or Enroll Now to begin activation. Step 5. Enter your email address or U.S. mobile phone number that you want to use as your Zelle identifier. Step 6. Review and accept the Zelle User Service Agreement and KeyBank's privacy policies. Step 7. Verify your contact information by entering the verification code sent to your email or phone. Step 8. Select the KeyBank checking or savings account you want to link to Zelle. Once complete, you can immediately start sending and receiving money with Zelle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.